Next, Floyd's triangle. Floyd's triangle is right angled triangle array of consecutive numbers. All rows are filled with natural or with the consecutive numbers starting from 1. For example, starting from 1. Next row has 2, 3. First row has only one element. Second row has 2 elements. Third row has 4, 5, 3 elements. Fourth row 8, 9, 10, like this and so on. So first row will be 1. Second row, what is the maximum value in first row? 1. So it starts from next element. Second row has maximum element 3. So third row will start from maximum element plus 1. So on. Let's write a program for this. Number of rows we need to declare n equal to 5 and int step equal to 1, int I equal to 1, loop should continue for 5 rows, n greater than 0. While so we need to have another loop which should print first row only one element and second row two elements. Int loop equal to 1, loop minus minus. Here I should be incremented every time. Out.print I, and I should be incremented, and also step also should be incremented. And the loop will become step. So the first row maximum element is 1, second row we have maximum element is 3, so that predictor is, and here what is missing, we need to put print ln. Loop is assigned, I is assigned to 1. Let's run it. It went to infinity loop. N step should be less than or equal to n. Here we are incrementing Let's see. 1 is there, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11 12 13 14 15. 5 elements in the first row, only one element. Second row 2, third row 3, fourth row 4 elements, fifth row 5 elements. So all this is a two-dimensional array filled with the consecutive numbers. Okay, there is a formula to check this. What is the formula? Is for a given row, sum of the elements is equal to n star n power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to sum of the elements in that row. Then only we call it as Floyd's triangle. So now we have how many rows? 5 rows. Let's print some of the elements here and check with this formula. For this we need to declare another array, two-dimensional array. New int n rows, n columns, and we need to declare two more variables, row columns, m equal to 0, n equal to 1. In this loop we need to fill that array am n plus plus equal to I. In the next loop we need to increment row column should be reset to 0. That means m should be m plus plus, n should be 0. Right, now we need to print this array. Okay, for int j equal to 0, j less than array dot length j plus plus system dot out dot println a of j. There is a method called arrays to string. It will print two-dimensional array values. What is the problem? Let's print it. So we got array from here. Now we need to find out sum of the elements for a given row and using this formula. if the sum of the elements and this formula values are same, then this is a Floyd's triangle. Now let's take rows starts from 0, right? Let's declare a n equal to 3. 3 means 4th row. Int sum equal to 0 for int j equal to 0, j less than a of n dot length j plus plus. Sum equal to sum plus a of n, nth row and the column is j. Now we got the sum. If this sum formula int formula sum equal to n, n is here, n plus 1, n is here, we need to put a 4th, 4 plus star math dot power four comma 2, then added 1. This both should be divided by 2. It gives a, we need integer value. Okay, if sum equal to formula sum, then system dot out println this is Floyd's triangle, else this is not Floyd's triangle. Let's run it. This is Floyd's triangle. We will print the values also. Our sum value plus formula sum, right? So our sum value is 34, formula sum also 34. Here 10, 19, 27 plus 7. You can apply to any row because row starts from 0.